Alright, hey everybody, this is Joel Williams with Keller Williams Realty and Team Day. Just coming into Nature Trail today. Going to take a little tour around the neighborhood. Normally the gate guard doesn't let you go through without investigating the situation, or you first, but he sees me all the time, so he knows where I'm going. So here we are coming in. There's always lots of activity going on in here. As you can see, you got some very, very nice homes. A lot of the ones you come into when you first pull into the neighborhood are model homes. All the woods you see are the residential lots that will be eventually developed. And you see you got sidewalk breaks. Once they build a house, they are required to put in sidewalks in front of the neighborhood, so sidewalks will be complete once all the homes are built. We got a street over here. This is Spider Lily. Now I'm just going to take you down to the clubhouse here so we don't keep you on too long. But this neighborhood is huge. It'll probably take 15 minutes to drive all the way around it. Here we got the clubhouse. Very nice entrance. As you can see, you got the tennis courts, basketball courts, really nice pool area over there. This is for everybody to use. Alright, there's a quick little entrance into the Nature Trail. If you have any questions, or if you would like to see any of these properties, we are the experts at Team Day, the experts for Nature Trail. So you can visit us on our website at www.findhomesinpensacola.com. You can also give us a call at the number on your screen, and we will be sure to get you taken care of. Thanks. Hope to see you soon.